Hey guys, how you guys doing? And welcome back to my channel.
You got your new whip, didn't you?
I got a new whip. New car guys, new car reveal. So, for today's video I actually bought something about a week or so ago. It's in this big old box here, which is actually quite a beastly box, and you know, the guy really did not hold back with the tape. You know, is it a brown box or an orange box? Who knows? But anyway, get her open and we'll install her on Cindy.
Right, what's in there, Claire? What does that say?
Suitable for Toyota Aygo, Citroen C1, Peugeot 107.
So while you're opening it, why are you spending money on a Citroen C1 when you could like save it for a new car?
Good question.
That's what most of the comments are.
I actually quite enjoy doing things in like little things like.
Yeah, it's making your own car, your car your own.
Yeah, it's different.
People won't understand unless they do their
Cindy
own
is
car.
unique now.
Okay.
And I actually do quite enjoy doing it. What's for? What the fuck is that?
That's a cake box. That's got happy birthday cake in.
I wish.
Wow.
Let's head downstairs with Cindy and I'll show you guys what we've actually got in these boxes. Okay, so we're now in Cindy. Let's open it and I'll show you what it is. Or you can see like on the box.
What's that then?
Today on Cindy, we're going to be installing a new head unit.
Yeah, boy. It's a nice touchscreen one.
Yeah,
show us what the old one looks like.
So if you look here, we look like we've just come out of World War One. You've got the aux cord. Who even has a fucking aux cord anymore?
But yeah, it's not the
We've
nicest.
got a little. Yeah. Anyway. So I just thought we'd upgrade Cindy today, you know, treat her.
It's a nice one.
So this one,
It's got Bluetooth.
it's surprisingly like you don't get many options of a head unit for a Citroen C1. This was the only one I could find. Okay, so this part is like the actual.
Wow.
This, because basically, obviously, the shape of my car, you need an actual thing.
Yeah, because you can't just put like it's sloped, isn't it?
It's really strange.
So.
Let's get started installing. Should we make a name for it?
What, the head unit?
Henry the head unit.
Why do you need to name it? First step, get this little thing off.
Do I have a new one of these in there?
A new one of what? No, so be careful with it. It's coming. Come on, put your back into it. There you go. Whew. So you got to unscrew that bolt right there. Make sure you don't lose that screw. A fucking builder?
Yeah.
From what I think, it's now all just clips.
Oh no.
So, but
We got bad experience with clips.
yeah.
This was also clips, and it's now super glued.
Yeah.
And I now have stiff gears.
Yeah. Wow, look at this guy, she's going for it. It's my goal right now, not to get involved. Wow, Chloe's smashing it.
Oh my god.
Jeez, we're gonna be done in no time, Chloe.
If you ever need your head unit changed,
Don't.
hit me up.
No, don't.
Might get some scratch paintwork, but
So now we've got to yank that out, I think. Carefully. And there's probably a few clips on the other side.
Hello.
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 Did anything fall? Wow, look at that, Chloe.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Okay, what am I meant to do now? 29th of June, 2010.
Is that when he was born?
Is that when he was born?
Yeah.
Was a fucking baby?
Yeah, we got to unclip everything basically. So there's like clips here. You've got the 3 buttons at the bottom, don't forget them. We probably should disconnect the battery, but you know, if Chloe gets electrocuted.
What the fuck, man? Maybe we should disconnect the battery.
No, it's fine.
So we're on to the last clip thing, I think, are we?
Mhm. It's a bit.
They're quite
Just a
hard
bit
to get
fiddly
out.
because like you obviously don't want to pull on the wires and pull them out the pins.
And it's out. The old one is out. We figured out how to pop them out. So look, we've got the hazard one out already.
Yeah, so it's a bit of a trial and error because they don't come with instructions, but you just push this clip in, push that clip in. I think there's 4, so like 4 clips. So
Oh,
2.
bloody hell.
Yeah, it's a bit picky, but they're not made to come out, are they?
Okay.
Okay. If anybody wants a Citroen C1
Yeah,
radio,
selling Citroen C1 radio.
hit me up. Or hit
30 quid.
30 quid? Bro, that's not worth more than a £5 now.
Okay, so we're now joined by
Expert Rosie.
expert little doggy dudes. Little doggy dudes. Hey?
Right, so basically, guys, we've got this. I've got this figured out. Luckily, they include the cables to make this fit very easily to a Citroen C1. You've got these 2 cables. One of these goes into here, one of these goes into here, and then this end goes into there. But it's hard to mess up because it's got 6 pins there, and it's got 6 pins in there, but it's got 4 pins in that one.
Oh.
4 pins in that one. So it's hard to mess up. If she messes this up, I'm gonna.
Right, so.
Yeah. So look at the
Does it matter which? Oh, yeah. 6 pins. That's 8
She's got
pins,
it.
you fucking Dumbo.
Oh, shut up. Plug that bad boy in. And then, yeah, that's clicked in. You can hear it. Buttons in. Rosie's
Oh, we're gonna have to do it the
digging to
opposite
China,
way
she is. You just push it straight through, you know. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Push, 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 push. There you go. Nice. Now we've got the hazard button and the demister. Nice. Look at that, you're smashing through this. So now what we have to do is, because we want the head unit to go in, it sits here. We actually have to chop that whole piece off there so that the head unit, because obviously it's got, you know, width, a length at the back. It needs to sit nicely there, so we need to chop that off.
Come here. Rosie, up. Oh, bloody hell. Look how big she's got, guys. I don't know if you remember her from when she was a baby, but she has got so big. Okay, so we've just got a saw. We're going to saw it off.
Oh, this is going to take ages. This is a blunt saw as well.
Oh, no.
If you think like, who's... Oh, shit. I got my saw stuck. What was that again?
I said, film me doing it, so it looks like I've actually done stuff. Okay, so we've managed to saw this bit off. So now it just looks like this. We've just got a big empty space.
Let us know if you're actually installing one to your C1, or think about it, because...
I think it's pretty cool. Like, if you've got like a...
You've got like a car with like a 2010 head unit.
Yeah, with
it's
nothing on
Bluetooth.
it.
You can upgrade it to Bluetooth. Well, we are upgrading it to Bluetooth.
Yeah,
Rear
like,
view camera in a C1.
you know, like it's a basic car. It's like a simple car, but it's perfectly fine car. And then you can just add a little bit more of a modern thing for not that expensive.
Yeah, I think if you didn't care about ego, a lot of people would have these cars.
Yeah, yeah.
I'd probably have this
They're
car.
pretty
It's
lit
lit.
cars.
Quick.
Next step is to install the new one. New bracket and then the actual head unit bit. on, we're going to put this...
Put the screws through the bracket. That's going to hold it so that it doesn't fall down like that, down the side much. We put that in.
Okay, put that down and then we're going to attach screws into here to sting that on.
Yeah. Can you get your fucking finger on?
Sorry. Okay, so I think we've finished. We've mounted up to the thing. It feels pretty stable.
Yeah, pretty. That's not going nowhere. Let's fill in this big gaping hole. These ones are for the buttons. So the black one goes to the black one. Pretty simple. These cables are racist. Citroen, I want a word with you.
Cool.
No, we put it back in.
No, we do then.
I think so. Oh wow, look at that. You gotta make sure it lines up with all the holes.
Okay, so we've got the head unit in. It's not a perfect fit. Like if you clip the top in, the bottom unclips. If you clip the bottom in, the top's not in properly. But we're gonna leave it like that because it's securely in.
We're gonna leave it until we do the reverse camera because if we break a clip, that's the end of it.
Yeah, because we don't want to break clips, and it is in. It's like secure, like it's not moving.
But
it's just got a little gap. But look.
Can't believe it. It looks quite cool actually. It looks weird, but it looks cool. So what all the eBay sellers done is make a model and then put a head unit in. That's all they've done, really.
Yeah.
Wow. Bringing the Citroen C1 back to life.
What? Whoa. Oh my god, I thought this bitch was just digging. Get your ass off the seat because you've... What the fuck is this? She's literally just chewed my mat to pieces. We've got the keys.
If this turns on now, we're all good. If this doesn't turn on now, well, we have to take this whole thing apart, so... Wait.
Turn the car on.
Ah!
Ah! Tuned. Oh my god, it actually works.
Oh my god. It's not the most modern display, but it's sick.
Do you know what though? Anything's modern compared to what was in here already.
Bluetooth, that's the main thing. Connect up your phone, mate. This is what you should upgrade your head unit for. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, you literally can't upgrade it. My Fiat down there doesn't have Bluetooth, and I'm gonna upgrade that with a new head unit.
Connected.
Connected. We're gonna silence this, but
see if it works.
Fingers crossed. Oh my god, you could call me. I'll put it to the side so you can't see it. But...
Oh, it's got it on my phone.
Chloe's calling me. That's all through the fucking head unit.
Wow.
That's lit. There's the head unit. That's the main thing. I think what's cool about this head unit is obviously you can wire in different speakers. So we currently have only 2 at the front and they're terrible. So with this you can actually wire in a subwoofer, so we could put one in the back, or you know, wiring you could basically make a whole sound system with this head unit now. So yeah, this Citroen was gonna be bouncing with the bass, you know what I mean?
Okay, so here's the head unit all thing. So you've got like, this is just a home page, and then you've got settings, which has, oh no. And then you've got, this is like Bluetooth, so you press that and then it connects to like the music, and yeah, you can actually like skip it on here, look.
Yeah, this is big, because it never worked on my course. I could never skip things on my course, so.
But look on here, ready? Next song. It works. And
you
then,
can call people,
yeah, you can call people. Look, I've got a thing there. I'm guessing that'll sync up at some point, or I'll sync it, I don't know.
You can,
this one you've got like, you can put a CD in.
so you can watch
It's quite a cool little thing.
It is.
And it wasn't actually that hard to install, like.
No, it's quite easy, but
yeah.
But I think it's because we knew what we were doing. Like we've done 2.
Well, yeah. If I was on my own, I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't have a fucking clue what I was doing.
And it's quite scary when you're doing it on your own.
Yeah. Yeah, it's worked. Because I was a bit scared it wasn't going to work. I was like, imagine I paid all this money, like, and I'm like expecting to make a video. I'm like expecting to have a new head unit thing, and that just doesn't work, and I'm going to be really annoyed. But it works, so it's great. I'm happy with it.
I'm happy with it. It looks sick.
You know? That is the end of today's video. We installed the head unit, which is so cool. I'm actually really happy with it.
Big up to Chloe for buying this. She's invested in her channel.
Woo!
Because it's not the most cheapest product to start out with, but she was just like, she took all the money that she made from YouTube, she invested it back in the channel. Anyway, I'm just saying, big up Chloe for investing back in the channel, because she invested in you guys. I think it's worth it. It's just for the Bluetooth.
But yeah, anyway, that's the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and we'll see you. Stop picking your nose.
Okay.
And we'll see you. Get in my shower, you. And we'll see you, or I'll see you in my next video.